Question 1. Given the following sets, draw the Venn diagram. Let's look at these sets. We've got U, the universal set, A is the set of even numbers, B is the set of prime numbers, and C is the set of square numbers. But let's just go back to the universal set. We've got U is the set of X, given that X exists in the natural numbers and X is less than 17. So that means X is the set of natural numbers which go from 0 to infinity, and X is less than 17. So decoding that, what it means is that the universal set is a set of numbers that go from 0 to 16. The universal set goes from 0 to 16. So let's just take these numbers one by one. Let's start with 0. 0 is a square number and it's an even number. 0 squared is 0, so that's a square, but it's also 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. So that means it needs to go into both the even and the square set. Next is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, so 1 is a square number, but it's not even and it's not prime. So that means 1 goes into the square section. Number 2. 2 is even, but it's not square, but it is prime. So it goes into even and into prime. 3 is prime, it's not square and it's not even, so it goes into that area. 4 is square and it's even, so that's like 0, that can go into there. 5 is prime, but it's not square or even. 6 is even, it's not square and it's not prime. 7 is prime, it's not even and it's not square. 8 is even, it's not square or prime. 9 is square, it's not even and it's not prime. 10 is even and it's not square or prime. 11 is prime and it's not even or square. 12 is even, not square and not prime. 13 is prime, not square and not even. 14 is even, not square, not prime. 15 is not square, it's not prime and it's not even, so it stays in the universal set. And then 16 is square and it's even. And there's our Venn diagram for part A. Part 2. List the elements of A union B. Even numbers are A, prime numbers are B, so the union of these two are that group there, okay, which is all of the numbers except for 1, 9 and 15. Part 3. List the elements of B intersect C. B are the prime numbers, C are the square numbers, so the intersect of the two is that area there. And as you can see, there's nothing in it, so that's the null set. Part 4. List the elements of A union B union C, and then notice the little dash by the end there. So actually we're looking for the complement. So first of all we look at A union B union C, which of course is all of those, and the only element that's not in there is 15. So the complement of A union B union C is actually the number 15. And then part 5, list the elements of A intersect B. A intersect B is that section there. A intersect C is that section there. Then B intersect C is that part there. Okay, so the numbers are 0, 2, 4 and 16. And that's the end of question 1.